Top 5 cities in the US with the scariest outdoor warning systems. The last one will make you scream. First, like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment if you love sirens and EASs. 5. Dallas. This is scary. 4. Hamilton, Ohio. This sound made me pee my pants. 3. Chicago. This is where Siren Head originated. 2. Pensacola. This sound would jump scare anyone in town. 1. San Francisco. This sounds like the world is ending.